we are Team Innovations. We are from PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Raichur. This project is under Viksit Bharat 2047. Our project name is Solar Powered Electric Train. First introduction. A solar powered electric train uses renewable energy from solar panels to run electric motors, reducing dependency on fossil fuel. This system combines panels, batteries, and efficient control system to store and use the electricity for train operations. These approaches make railway transport more suitable, eco-friendly, and cost-efficiently over time. Problem scoping. Traditional trains rarely use diesel and grid electricity, leading to high fossil costs, greenhouse gas emissions, and dependency on non-renewable resources. With rising energy demand and global climate goals, there is a need for a cleaning, more efficient system. The main challenge is generating and storing enough solar power to power trains reliably under varying sunlight conditions.
Implementation. Solar panels can be installed on train roofs, stations, and along railway tracks to capture sunlight. Ma'am, thoda hill raha hai. Implementation. Solar panels can be installed on train roofs, stations, and along railway tracks to capture sunlight. The generated energy is stored in high-capacity batteries and used to power electric motors. Smart energy management systems regenerate charging, regenerative braking, and energy distribution. A pilot project can start with a short route combining solar energy with grid backup to ensure consistent performance. Next up, working. During the day, solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, which charges on board of a depot batteries. The train draws power from these batteries to operate its electronic traction system. Regenerative braking further recovers energy during deceleration, storing it back in the batteries. The continuous energy cycle allows efficient and eco-friendly train operation.
Next step, future scoping. In the future scoping, solar power trains can be extended in long routes and in large scale of transportation. In solar power train, we can transport many things like goods and in normal trains it uses diesels and many things can pollute over all over the world. It is goal to stabilize the offering a channel's greenhouse future. For this innovation supports total stability goals and offering cleanness, greener future for mass transportation, and what grades will make all solar powered rail networks more practical.